Shrimp with yellow squash and moringa. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add ginger. Then add cloves of garlic. Include 1 medium sliced onion and 2 small sliced tomatoes. Add sliced yellow medium squash. Season with pepper and salt to your liking. Pour in 1 can of coconut milk. Cover and simmer for 20 minutes. Add 1 pound of shrimp and mix. Then add moringa. Pour an additional ½ cup of coconut milk. Season with black pepper and salt, according to your preference. Then add 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. Simmer for an extra 2 minutes. Serve and enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell for more of my contents. Here are all my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.